let's pretend it's July 1776. Ben Franklin and all those founding fathers are up at the Pennsylvania State House, Independence Hall. They're arguing with one another, they're scribbling notes to each other, and they're sweating a lot because it's hot. And believe me, there's no air conditioning. So what do those founding fathers do when it's hot and they're sweating? They stink. And so do their clothes, especially their shirts. P.U. What's a founding father to do? Well, laundry. Wait a minute, though. Is Ben Franklin doing the laundry? No way. It's not Ben, or any other man for that matter. Ladies, it's 1776, so this is women's work. First, we have to get all of Ben's shirts and stuff them in this bucket right here, all 36 of them to be exact. Oh, definitely gonna have to hold my nose while I do this. Then we have to get water. So we just bring these buckets right over here to this water pump and fill them all up. And once that's done, we're just gonna dump it right in this kettle, right here in the fireplace over the nice hot fire. Whew, that's hot. Now I just have to dump the rest of these. There you go. While we're waiting for this water to boil, we're just gonna dump Ben's shirts into the tub. But first, we have to scrub out the worst dirt. Now, let's see if this water is boiling. Huzzah! It is! So let's dump these shirts right in. And of course, I have to add my secret ingredient, lye, made from good old wood ash. Now we're just gonna stir it around, get the shirts nice and soapy. Whew. I'm really hot and really tired. But no time to rest because I have to fish out each one of these shirts, take them and wring out as much water as I can by hand. And then I'm just gonna hang it up on the line to dry. Now I just have to do that 35 more times, which should take me the rest of the day. But Ben can't wear these shirts up at the Pennsylvania State House yet, can he? No, I mean, they may be clean, but they're all wrinkled. I'll have to mangle them tomorrow. Of course you know what a mangle is, right? Well, a mangle is a nice, smooth piece of wood. And then when I drag it over the shirt, it gets lots of wrinkles out. See? Looks good. Again, I'll have to do that 35 more times, which brings us to the end of the second day of doing laundry. And that brings us to day 3, ironing day. First, we get lots of irons and just line them up over the fire to get them nice and hot. Then you wrap your hand in a cloth to protect it, pick up one of the really hot irons, and proceed to, well, iron. Only 36 shirts to do. That's a cinch. I should be done in no time and have these shirts put away and ready for Ben to wear and sweat in again up at the Pennsylvania State House. So if you come back here 2 weeks from now, I'll be doing this all over again. Once upon a nation.